SOFI update here on the 23rd. So I think there's nothing to be bearish about here. We are below the 200 DMA, like I talked about in the last video. But if you go back and just look at what happened on this move and the falling wedge we broke out from, this took basically 9 months. We've just now started moving up. It's only been about a 2-week period of moving up. So I think we have a little bit more time of this move playing out, and I think there's a very good chance that we hit 10 bucks because the minimum target I had on this was 860. We haven't gotten there. We're dipping. This is looking like a corrective move. I mean, it could be an impulse move too, but I would lean towards this being a ABC move down here. Now, if it goes like this, if it goes 1 and we get a small bounce and it continues down here and breaks the 20 or the 50, then obviously that's going to be worrying. But if we get an ABC move down here to like 690, 7 bucks and fill this gap, I would not be worried at all. I would actually treat that as a second wave. And I'd be looking for a third wave higher. My target for the third wave would be up here at 957, which is the gap fill. So overall, with timing and how far it's retraced, I think that there should be still more move to the upside after earnings. A dip into earnings would be pretty bullish to me. And yeah, so it looks pretty good. The overall pattern that I'm looking at is this, though. I'm not looking at this as a third wave or a C wave. I'm just looking at this as the ending of a C wave of the overall B wave. So that's the only thing is this is probably not going to break out to 14, 15 bucks. It could, but that's the upside, the max upside. So 1.61 fib is max upside, 1460. But I would say it's more likely we finish up here around the top of this, around 10 or 11 bucks. Minimum target 860, and then after that, obviously we fall back down like this. And then after that, we're ready to go. We're ready to finally take off. So we probably have another 6 to 12 months before we actually start getting a impulse move higher to complete either a third wave or a C wave for this overall move right here. So A, like that. Anyway, going back to the shorter term time frame though, this is still bullish to me, above the 20, above the 50, consolidating. Until it finishes below the 20 or 50, I'm probably going to be bullish, looking for that move higher. So that's all I got for today. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates. I'll keep you updated. We have about a week till earnings, and let's hope they are amazing and we get that big move higher. All right, have a good one.